Let me clarify that. The merits of the case were not examined by the Supreme Court. This is not, doesn't mean, this does not decide the merits of the case. It just talked about procedure. So the procedure was faulty, was lacking. So yun ang assessment ng Supreme Court. It has no bearing on the rightness or wrongness of the impeachment case.
And your reaction, sir, dun sa naging pagboto po ng Senado to archive? Nasabi niyo, sir, ano kayo? Interested observer po kayo.
Kaya nga, so I've observed that they voted in, that's it. I keep telling you, the executive has no role in this. The president has no role. I'm an impeachable officer. I cannot involve myself in any of this. So, well, it's really the Supreme Court, the Senate, and the House. So yun ang kanilang. That's where the decisions were made between on the issues between the House, the Senate, and the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has decided, and like I've said, that's it. That's the Supreme Court has decided. There has been no trial. So the merits of the case have not been examined, tried, adjudicated, argued, discussed. So accountability just doesn't come into it. People have to understand, it is a procedural question. Sinabi, mali yung date, hindi tama ang pagkagawa ng House. Walang kinalaman doon sa laman ng impeachment complaint. In my case, well, siyempre may nung tatanong sa akin, sasabihin, sorry, problema nyo yan. Hindi ako nanghihiram ng problema. That's your problem. That's not, again, that situation does not really involve me. It would be highly improper for me to tell my friends who are in the Senate and who are in the House na ito yung dapat ninyong gawin. Highly improper yun. Pati na ako, ma-impeach kung gagawin ko yun. Hindi ko gagawin yun. So yes, they ask, and we talk about it, but it's not as if I try to direct their actions. That's the last thing I want to do. Besides, when this all started, I immediately came to the conclusion, I have no part in this. So we'll just continue doing our work. And then, mukhang tapos na. Ewan ko kung mag-MR pa ang House. Meron na. Oh, yun. Well, then the process will continue. Pabayaan natin. But if the Senate has decided not to try the case, I don't know. Even if the Supreme Court reverses itself, I don't know where that will put the whole thing. I don't really worry about it too much for myself. I just need to. There's so many things we need to do that I don't have. Those are my priorities, not this.